My lord, Director Krennic has arrived.
Director Krennic.
Lord Vader.
You seem unsettled.
No, just pressed for time. There's a great many things to attend to.
My apologies. You do have a great many things to explain.
I delivered the weapon the Emperor requested. I deserve an audience to make certain that he understands its remarkable potential.
Its power to create problems has certainly been confirmed. A city destroyed, an Imperial facility openly attacked.
It was Governor Tarkin that suggested the tests.
You were not summoned here to grovel, Director Krennic.
No, it's...
There is no Death Star. The Senate has been informed that Jeddah was destroyed in a mining disaster.
Yes.
I expect you not to rest until you can assure the Emperor that Galen Erso has not compromised this weapon in any way.